Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix that your screen rotation on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE is not working. So, at first we have to turn on our phone, and what we have to do first here is to scroll down to the quick panel here and prolong it. Here, as you can see, we have auto rotate. Make sure that it's blue. If it's gray, turn it on, but if it's blue, turn it off and then on. If you don't see this icon here, you have to tap here on this plus and search for it in the available buttons. You should find it right here. Now we can exit here, and now your auto rotate should be working. Maybe not in home screen, but in, for example, on YouTube it should. And that is the first tip from me to you. The second one is to check your gyroscope in different applications. For example, let's enter maybe not Facebook, because Facebook doesn't work here, but let's maybe enter the clock and test our gyroscope. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. You can test this gyroscope in every single application that supports that, and if it works in the applications itself, the problem is that you're using maybe incompatible application or something like that. But if your gyroscope isn't working still, I do recommend to restart your phone to reset the sensors. So you have to hold the volume down button here and power button until you see this power menu. Tap restart here and restart back again. Now everything should be working because we do refresh the sensors in our phone. Now let's see when our phone is turned on. Now we should be working, but if it still doesn't work, it's possible that it still doesn't work, we have to boot into the safe mode, but I will show this in a moment. Now it should work, and if it does, that's great. But now we are going to boot in the safe mode. To do so, we have to hold again the volume down button and the power button till we see this menu. We have to hold our finger on the power off, and here, after holding for a moment, we'll see safe mode. Let's tap that. Safe mode is a mode for our phone that is actually for diagnostics, and there are no working third-party applications. So if it works here, if the screen rotation works here, the problem is some third-party application that we have on our phone. Try to uninstall some recent applications. If you, for example, have installed some phone boosters or something like that, just uninstall these applications. Here, as you can see, let's check if that works. Maybe not in this application. Let's test on the clock. As you can see, it works. So if it works, in the safe mode, uninstall the third-party applications in your phone. To do so, you have to hold your finger on each, tap this info icon, and tap uninstall. You should have uninstall over here. This is an application, so we can't uninstall this application. And that's for the safe mode. If it doesn't work still in the safe mode, we have to boot again to the normal mode of our phone. But if it works, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Let's see when our phone will be turned on. Now, as you can see, it's turned on. And now what I do recommend is to go into the system settings in our phone over here. Now let's scroll all the way down to the software update and tap the first option here. As you can see, I do have no network, but here if you have the network, you can check if you have some updates. If you do, install the software update on your phone. Your issue should be fixed because even though this phone is almost 5 years old, the Google still releases some the Samsung still releases some quick bug fixes for your phone because the bugs still occur in 2025. So this is quite a common issue. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like under this video. It's very important to us to see your feedback. What do you think of this video? So if you have some drawbacks, please tell me, and if you have some questions, again, please tell me in the comments below. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye!